Imagine walking into a bookstore. Romance novels are mixed with cookbooks. Horror is shoved between self-help. And the children's section, never heard of her. It is total confusion. That's what bad proximity feels like in design. Today, I am going to show you how to Marie Kondo your layout so everything sparks clarity. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Candace Bobchek, and today we're tackling a design principle that doesn't sound that glamorous, but trust me, it makes a difference. Between organized genius and absolute chaos, there is proximity. So let's get into it. So what exactly is proximity in graphic design? In simple terms, it is about how close or how far apart elements are from each other. By grouping similar elements together and separating the ones that don't relate to each other, you make your design clearer for the viewer. Things become more cohesive and a lot simpler to read. Back to the bookstore analogy. Books are grouped together by genre. It makes it easy to find what you want, right? Now imagine books scattered randomly throughout the shelves. That is complete nightmare fuel. That is what bad proximity literally feels like in graphic design. So here's a perfect example. On the left side, it's like, where do I even start? But on the right, items are grouped together logically, and your eye, it just flows. That is the magic of proximity. So how do we get good proximity in our design work? Here are a few quick key tips. Tip number 1, group related items together. Keeping similar items together lets the viewer know that they belong. Tip number 2, use spacing wisely. Consistent gaps between groups help separate sections. Use our good friend hierarchy. Make the important stuff stand out and related details stay close. And last but not least, alignment. Align elements in a group together to make them look sharper. Okay, so here's a quick demo. Watch how the scattered flyer transforms. Just by grouping text with its related images and tightening the spacing, suddenly it's clean, it's easy to read, and way more professional looking. So remember, proximity isn't just about making things look pretty. It is about giving your audience a clear roadmap. Keep related items close and give space to unrelated ones. Your design will instantly feel more polished and professional. If you want a deeper dive on more practical examples of how to use proximity, I have a video on that as well. You can watch that after this. Okay guys, and that's all I have for you for proximity in graphic design. It is simple, powerful, and kind of a game changer. At least it is once you start using it intentionally. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe for more design tips just like this because I make videos every single week. And let me know in the comments, what's the worst cluttered design you've ever come across? You know I love a good design horror story. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!